Audio Jungle.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back on my channel, Crypto Victoria. So, guys, today I am talking about very interesting platform on my channel. So, before starting their brief review, how you can buy, how you can stake, and how you can earn these rewards from here, so you can generate your income by joining this awesome platform. So before starting further review, I would request, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos notification. So guys, welcome to Gold Reserve. Here you can see Gold Reserve project, that is a real world asset token that digitally represents a physical gold mining operation on the blockchain. So I have placed all of the official links of Gold Reserve in my video description. You can simply click and you can join this awesome platform, guys. And guys, you have to don't skip any part of the video, because I completely give review about Gold Reserve. And I would request, I'm not your financial advisor, do your own research before any investment, guys, and I am not responsible for your any profit or loss. So guys, here you have to join our airdrop campaign, where you can get rewards. And also about this is basically an Alan Mike, that is the partner and co-owner of the mining company, and he leads to the token as a CEO, that's providing very great opportunities and showing to entire process of gold plant structure processing in full detail. And guys, the basically majority partners of the physical mining company is Marcos Roger, that is entrepreneur and visionary who used to expand his business and in entire ecosystem. And this is a physical mining company that's majority owned, and they have registered with the National Mining Agency, that's built in 1900 acres with a mineral exploration claims. And currently, their research have phase in nearing completion, with plans to commence construction of gold processor. And the growth of mining company will be shared in real time of through videos and reports detailing of quantity of gold proceed among their informations. So gold reserve represent a mining company on blockchain, providing investors with a direct connections to gold production. So how you can be about this work, you have to just 10% of the mining company is the net profit that is injected to the charts, and token will be burned for every 30 days. So you have to constant chart activity with institutional investors. So here is our gold reserve NFTs that coming soon, launch of where our NFTs, where you can profit 5% by allocated exclusive NFT holders. Here you can see very attractive NFTs. This is guys our exclusive tokenomics, where I am total supply is 1 billion and you can buy. And also our liquidity is zero point 0.5, automatic burn that is 0.5%, and here is the dev profits, that is about almost 0.7, and project value is 6.3. Guys, this is our official contract address, which you have to copy when you are buying. You have to check this when you are buying, you have to copy this after buying this. So the how you have to join, you have to join our all of the social medias links, our account, like this is our TG Telegram group, which you have to join. Here you can see our members, and this is basically blockchains that you have to join, guys. And this is our Twitter official account, where you have to join this. You have to follow this. As you can see, I am also following. And guys, this is basically on BSC chain. This token be on the BSC chain, and there are 5 days to left launch of gold reserve. So you have to don't waste your time and buy the pre-sale before it ends. Here you can see 5 days are remaining, so you have to join right now. Here you have to like, comment, and retweet on our official accounts, and official launch will be. And guys, there here you can see our total holders, and basically launch on PancakeSwap 6 December 2024. Here you have to join our pre-sale and you have to get your benefits, guys. This is our white paper. You have to must download this. If you have any question, you can check out there. You have question query, this is all about gold reserves. They're all about their transparency, accessibility, trust, and our mining company, their profiles, their work. Here you can check out. And here is also our monthly injections and NFTs reward prediction here, as you can also check out, guys, where we have give all of our details. This is our all about token details, guys. Now here you have to also check out our token metrics, and these all of our links are also available in our white paper. So you have to must join this, must read this, guys. This is our Telegram boot which you have to tap to earn, and you have to start this, you have to click on this, and guys you have to join our boot. And here you can get your, here you have to start your boot, and you are welcome to gold reserve. Here you have to just tap, and you have to start your earning. You have to join this opportunity for growth, and here you will find a dynamic and innovative environment where you get potential, and you will be stimulated your achievement celebrated. So get ready to explore a new possibility and also be a part of vibrant community. May your experience with us be enriching. That's will be, so you have to simply click on launch. You have to play this, and after playing this, here you can earn your rewards. So you have to play and you have to earn this. So I hope you like my video. See you next video. Thanks for watching, guys.